Hi, my name is Dr. Jimmy Johnson, owner of Advantage Wellness Clinic located in Wheaton. I'm here today to tell you about a food sensitivity test that we offer in our clinic. The test is a blood test, a simple blood test that allows me to test for 154 of the most common foods we encounter in our daily lives. The purpose of the test is to see how your blood reacts to each individual food. Sometimes the results are positive, sometimes they are negative. Because they are a delayed test, it's important to find out which foods you should or should not eat.
Pretty soon I noticed that my rings were looser. My body wasn't so bloated. I didn't feel like my stomach was always churning. I started losing weight, which is awesome. And probably about the third week, I noticed that I didn't have dark circles under my eyes. So all those things were encouraging enough to keep me on the diet.
We did our best to not eat any of those things and let our system cleanse. And then we began to reintroduce them. And we noticed amazing results.
It's definitely made my diet a lot better, made me a little healthier and a little happier overall.
Dr. Johnson is one who doesn't believe in medication. He believes in the body working with the body so that it heals itself.
My background, how I got into the chiropractic profession, I was a student athlete at the University of Missouri, Kansas City, and I struggled with back pain for a couple years, and I couldn't figure out why. I went to multiple doctors, I was on multiple medications, and didn't get any real relief. One of my trainers at the time, though I thought was a trainer, was actually a doctor of chiropractic. He had pulled me aside, kind of worked on me for several weeks, and lo and behold, I was able to stand, run, walk, and everything that I should be doing at age 19. So I knew at that point this was something that I needed to do as well. I wanted to give back to fellow athletes and fellow Americans and people who suffer from back pain. That's why I got into the profession, and I've been in the profession since 2002. I graduated from Cleveland Chiropractic College in Kansas City. I moved to Chicago, and I opened up my own practice in 2006.
My initial problem was my rotator cuff, and Dr. Johnson worked with me on that, worked with some physical therapy, and now I don't have any problems with it anymore. Free range of motion. I can go out and throw a football with my son, shoot baskets again. He really helped me correct that problem in a very good way.
So the results basically were very, very rewarding. I was able to get relief, both physically and emotionally. I still see Dr. Johnson twice a week. Results are fantastic.
I could actually see what was being improved and where I was actually hurting, and different ways of how I could control the pain without medicines.
I really felt I connected with Dr. Johnson. We hit it off. I felt like there was more than just a doctor-patient. This was someone that had a friendly approach, and I like that.
So we go to Dr. Jimmy, he listens to what you have to say, he gives you feedback in a positive way, he gives you the results that he needs for you to feel better about yourself, physically and emotionally.
Jimmy's really friendly, positive, always encouraging us. We enjoy going to him because he always remembers what we've done the weekend before and interacts really well with my 14-year-old son.
I like the fact that he listened to me, and he heard what I needed, and then he sought to treat what I needed.
So hopefully the information that you were just able to receive is something that may or may not interest you. We would love to have you in the office. If you'd like to set up an appointment for your own specific blood test, you can give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'd love to sit down in a consultation and discuss any further health concerns you may have or any further detail about the blood test.